Hello everyone, good evening. This is Khushali Shah here again with you with the concepts and with the excuses. The thought of today is don't make excuses, just do improvements. So based on that, I am giving you an example of that there are the many people who do not have or do not get the guidelines, who do not get the proper beneficiaries, or who do not get the proper facilities for them for their education or for their the success in their life, but still though they are very much successful in their life and they are very much on the good fame of life. So why we or the why some people give excuses? Other than giving excuses, we can do one thing: we can just improve ourselves and we can just work on the process, or that how can we succeed in our life more and more. If we give the example that many doctors today, or very well known doctors today, if we ask them, or if we ask them their biography, definitely they will told that we don't have any guidelines. When we were a child, we used to study in a street lamps, or we used to study, we used to work and we used to study, and now facing all their difficulties, or facing after all the difficulties, they are on a good fame, or they are on a good position. So after seeing all these stories, we came to that conclusion that we don't give excuses, we only can make the improvements. By giving excuses, we can't get anything. We will only get the obstacles in life, we will only get stuck in that position, or we will not get the succeed in life. Or otherwise, if we are getting succeeded, we will not be satisfied with our work. So we can make the improvements, we can work on ourselves. First of all, we have to work on ourselves, that what are the things that we can do, or what are the things that which can be helpful for us. So that is our main goal, that I hope in this lockdown you can make more and more improvements, and cannot give the excuses for whatever goals you have made, or whatever goals you have decided in your life can be succeeded. Thank you so much for watching us.